In this video, I'll be talking about mistakes you don't want to make while traveling. What's up, travelheads? Have you ever noticed how everyone owns a black luggage? It's definitely the most common color to have. Arriving to your destination and waiting for your luggage, you see a lot of luggage that are the same color as yours, so you're constantly confused and you're waiting to see if there's that little name tag that says your name, or if it's like, oh, you think it's this one and you pick it out and it's not yours. So you're just gonna be checking it, either the name tags to see if it says your name on it, or you're just probably gonna think it's yours and you're probably gonna take it out, or you may just accidentally take it home with you and you're like, shoot, so I took someone else's luggage and now I gotta bring it back. So don't make the mistake of having a black luggage, because most people have a black luggage. Try having a different color luggage, or have one where you have your own little stickers or emblems or just stripes on it, because it's just different and you know it's gonna be yours by having your little logo sticker or a stripe on it, or just a different color luggage. Comment below what color is your travel bag right now. Number 2, notifying your credit card company. If you're planning on using your credit card during international travel, then you should call your credit card company and let them know the travel dates, the travel city and country that you are traveling to. Because if you don't, and the credit card doesn't know that you're on the other country, say you're in Singapore and you swipe your credit card in Singapore, it's like they're so accustomed to you being in the USA swiping, and suddenly you're getting a credit card charge from a different country. They may just decline that charge and your credit card may be blocked until you make a phone call back, which is embarrassing because you're trying to swipe your credit card to pay for something and it's getting declined. Or it could be an emergency and you just don't have cash on you and you need to use your credit card to swipe and it got declined. And usually when they decline it from a different country, they're gonna make you call your credit card company and verify that it wasn't a fraud, and because you're out of country, it may charge you more for international call. So you want to make sure that before you leave out of country, that you want to notify your credit card company of these things. Otherwise, you're going to be having a little headache while traveling. Number 3, travel rewards. You hear me talk about it pretty often on all these videos out here, but it's something I utilize a lot. Before booking your airfare or accommodation, you should always check to see if you have any travel points in your credit card to give you perks like discounts on flights, like just using your travel points to pay for your flight. If you're always using one specific airline, like say Southwest airline, you use Southwest 10 times, that might rack you enough points to have a free airfare or a little state-to-state trip from like San Francisco to San Diego for free. It's just like buying a bubble milk tea. Most places, if you buy 5 or if you buy 10, you will get one free over time. Check this video out if you want to know more about travel reward point. Number 4, vaccination. 5 weeks before leaving out of country, you should check what vaccination is needed or recommended at that country you are visiting. The reason why I say 5 weeks is because once you find out what vaccination you need to schedule an appointment for the following week, instead of doing it 2 weeks behind. Normally, it takes a month for some of the vaccination to actually kick in. Number 5, travel insurance. Super important when you're traveling to another country. Travel insurance may cover for you, say if you're in your trip already and you're injured or you're sick. Say if you're not in a very developed country and you're like, you get hurt or you get an illness and you have to fly back. Most of this will be covered through travel insurance, but you have to buy the specific ones where you have to read up on it and read up what's covered on these travel insurance. Basically, travel insurance is like your car insurance. If you're in a car and you get hurt or if you hit someone, you're covered for most of the damage and fees that you have to pay. Same with traveling. If you're hurt and if you are sick, most of your injury or sickness will be covered with travel insurance. And not only that, you just need to read up on different travel insurance with different type of benefits. Some may even help refund you on airfare, or like in case of a natural disaster happen in that country. But if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you, travel heads. Until next time.